Good day. Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Soysouda. Today's video, I will be making potato chips. These homemade potato chips are so crispy and crunchy. I love my potato chips with lots of salt and garlic powder. I can't have my chips with no seasoning. The seasoning gives so much unbeatable flavor. Let's get started. Okay, for recipe, 3 potatoes, salt, cornstarch, mixed herbs, chicken salt, garlic powder, oil for deep fry, water. Okay, first step, I'm going to add 7 cups of water to a pot. Put the heat on high. Then add 7 cups of water. Second step, I'm going to peel potatoes and cut potatoes. Now I'm going to boil this for 4 minutes. Okay, water is boiling now. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of salt. And potatoes. Let it cook for 5 minutes, then drain it out. Let it soak in the cold water for a few minutes. Okay, now I'm going to add deep fry oil to a wok. Put the heat on high. Then add deep fry oil. Okay, after the chips are cooked, let them sit for a couple minutes. Then I'm going to deep fry them again. Make it crispy. chips are cooked now. Turn the heat off. Then I'm going to place them on a rack. Serve them on a plate. So crispy. Okay, hard part is done. Now easy part, to taste it. So crispy. So good. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share. And don't forget to try this recipe at home. Until next time, I will see you then. Bye.